Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is November 3rd, 2025. We're getting ready to do a Mainnet Cosmos SDK upgrade, so that'll be coming tomorrow. So if you guys are on Mainnet, make sure you're ready for that. It should happen around 10 a.m., but we do have a countdown website, so just check that. And if you have Cosmos Visor set up, it should be super easy for you guys. With that, let's get started on what we're up to this week. Spotty.
Hey, all of the manual tests have now passed on the Palmetto. So we upgraded the test net last week, and then we do a bunch of manual tests. They've all passed at this point. The dispute settled as expected, and the state sync worked. I still don't have a new snapshot up on the website though, because it worked, and then the compression and sending it to the server part didn't work, and now it's too old, so I got to do it again. So it'll be like late tomorrow. We'll get a new snapshot up there. It'll be done
All right.
for the first time in a while.
All right. Well, thank you, Spotty.
Yep.
All right. Caleb.
I'm finishing up the Block Explorer. I got most of the data feed done yesterday, or not yesterday, Friday. I'm really just on some smaller stuff now. Like for some reason, the query for returning when the staking allowance reset isn't showing up. So I'm kind of just on little stuff now. But yeah, other than that, going to be doing the upgrade and setting up all my Cosmo Visor servers to have the upgrade ready so that that goes smoothly tomorrow. And then some testing. I made some changes to the monitors yesterday to fix a possible bug, and I want to one, just stress test the new reporter with a lot of tips, and two, to see how my monitor handles it.
Okay. Thanks. Akram.
I'm working on the relayer front end, switching it to use an indexer instead of RPC calls. I'm kind of doing using a different indexer project called Subsquid for this instead of the subquery that we used for the other front end.
Any reason?
The other one supports Cosmos, this one doesn't. But this one is a little bit easier for Ethereum stuff or EVM stuff, which Saga is. I don't know, they're just different flavor. I figured try this since it was easy. It seems a little bit. Also, they have chains on Ethereum, like a bunch of chains that they have archive data already for, so you don't have to start from scratch when you index. I'm not sure where that's stored, but you can get that up and running quickly, so you don't actually need an archive node to do this. For most of the chains, Saga being a new chain, they don't have that, so I have to backfill the history before I get to use the RPC, because it kind of times out. It doesn't like going back that far to where the contract starts.
If you need one, let us know. I bet we can ask them.
A Saga
Mm-hmm.
RPC, yeah, I guess yes.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, we can ask if they have any archive RPCs or anything.
Okay, but so testing this with the front end, the front end is I guess a lot. Well, the one file is a large code base, so instead of trying to work everything, I just replace the queries. But I think probably doing some improvements on that also can help it be faster. But for now, I'll just switch out the queries instead of doing the contract calls. Just switch out those methods that instead of doing contract calls, do the GraphQL queries. Yeah, I have some questions, but I'll ask that after the call.
All right. Dan.
Pending some testing, I'll have a big LVM PR ready today. And then there's some layer issues stacking up I should get to.
Right. Did you see Cross's Last message on events. Perfect.
Yep.
All right. Tim.
Last Friday I started kind of simplifying my monitor process. Yeah, at this point I kind of have two different monitor setups depending on the chain reading Tellor data. But that's getting, I don't know. I don't necessarily need to manage different monitor systems, so I'm disentangling that a bit. It's basically just spinning out one more complicated monitor to be more simple.
Okay.
And yeah, so I'm wrapping that up today and then getting back to the relayer and documenting all of that.
All right. Looking forward to your reworked monitors. Ryan. Oh, with that, Ryan, we are going to be at Devconnect Argentina. So if you guys are coming, please stop by our booth at the Oracle Summit / Stablecoin Summit happening right along the same dates. I think it's right before the 17th or 18th. We'll post it under on the notes. But Ryan, you've been working a lot on making sure that we're ready for this. So yeah, what's up with that?
Yeah, we're doing the grip strength challenge again. So we're firing back up that dynamometer. But yeah, I'm just working on the website to repurpose it for Devconnect, and streamlining the process for it a little bit more. So we're not going to be needing to go through the CLI. We can just input everything on the site. Yeah, so we just want to make sure that that's seamless and ready to go by the time we hit Devconnect.
All right. Anything else, Nick?
No, that should be good. Yeah, if you guys saw the balancer hack, crazy. Balancer V2 contracts were like old and super trusted. So it's stay safe out there, guys. It's yeah, I mean, like if those things can get hacked, it's game for anything. So
All right. Well, stay safe, everybody. And we'll see you guys next week.